My name is Philipp Esser. I'm working for Henkel and I'm the Global Business Development Manager for our new portfolio Loctite Pulse. Henkel is the global leader in adhesives, coatings, sealings and many other solutions. And we have just launched a new product which is adding to this portfolio, and it's a predictive maintenance IoT portfolio called Loctite Pulse. For sure, as we offer a similar solution, I was part of the predictive maintenance roundtable, which was super interesting because there were quite a lot of discussions of really how to make predictive maintenance solutions really stick with customers. And there were many operators that shared their experience implementing IoT solutions. For sure, one of the technologies I think which will be very important to master in the future is predictive maintenance. So that's definitely one part. And they're really to throw away or throw overboard old habits and really embracing these new technologies to making the most out of that. I think the human part really is the challenge everyone is facing. So we as Henkel are in a very special position. So we are, on one hand, a chemical company operator ourselves, and on the other hand, we have this strong Loctite business where we already today have a lot of maintenance solutions in the field. And we have combined these two worlds to build predictive maintenance solutions that build up on this experience of Loctite, but that we can use in our own factories and create our own experience, improve our solutions, and in the end benefit from our own solutions. Congress was very well organized. So we had from nearly a year ago frequent contact with our personal manager. Everything was pretty clear for us. We even came up with the idea to host our third day at the Henkel factory to invite some customers over to see our products in action. And she made it happen. So we are very happy and look forward to it tomorrow.